Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Arman this side from Chartinger. Today we are going to learn a trading technique which is one of the most simplest trading technique and a technique which doesn't require much of trading skill set, technical skill set. Only thing that we have to follow is a basic rules which we are going to learn in this session. Okay, so the technique that we are going to study is called as inside bar trading strategy. So let's see what is inside bar trading strategy. So let's say we have a big huge candle a day prior, which we also call as a mother candle. Okay, and the next day the candle that is formed is a small candle when compared to that of mother and is inside the range, inside high and low of the mother candle. ओके, अगर इसको मैं और आसान भाषा में समझाना चाहूँ तो एक कैंडल होगी द प्रीवियस कैंडल, एक दिन पहले द प्रीवियस कैंडल विच इज़ बिग इनफ, एक बड़ी कैंडल जिसको हम एक मदर कैंडल बोल सकते हैं, और उसके नेक्स्ट डे जो कैंडल फॉर्म होगी, ओके, वो कैंडल मम्मी के या मदर कैंडल के रेंज में होगी. सिंपल एज दैट. नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट दैट मोस्ट पीपल फॉरगेट टू टेल यू इज अ मदर कैन हैव एन नंबर ऑफ बेबीज. दैट इज बहुत सारे बेबी कैंडल्स ये मदर के रेंज में हो सकते हैं, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज इनसाइड बार. एंड इसका एक नेक्स्ट स्टेज आता है विच इज कॉल्ड एज मास्टर कैंडल. इसमें क्या होता है कि इफ द मदर हैज मोर देन 4 बेबीज, दिस इज अगेन अ मोर strong setup. It is one of again more stronger setup, and that will be called as a master candle setup. Now this sort of trading or this sort of pattern is found almost every day in the stock market. Okay, and the best part about this trading strategy is you can trade on 15 minutes, you can trade on 1 hour candle, you can trade on hourly candle, you can trade on weekly candle, you can trade on monthly candle, you can also trade on yearly candle. Okay, for the simplicity I am going to teach you or show you on daily time frame. So I'll just put this down, minimize, and we will switch to trading view. So I'll go through some stocks. Let's say we'll switch to Reliance to find out if there is any inside bar candle. Okay, yeah, so I can find over here. This was a candle, inside bar candle. See, this mother candle, candle number 1. Second candle made an attempt to go down but failed. Third candle was successful, and you can see a downside, a downfall. Okay, a downfall coming in. So yeah, so this is how it works. So let me remove this. We will check out for other pattern as well. Here again a mother. See, here again a candle, but here we fail to take a trade because the candle did not break out. Okay, we'll again check some other stock. We'll check out Suzlon for a while. So see over here, yeah, so I can see this, I can figure out this. See, Suzlon broke out. Okay, Suzlon broke out. We'll switch to daily time frame first. Sorry. Yeah. So sorry, I forgot that the time frame was weekly. So yeah, we'll go and check across. Okay, see this. So this is a beautiful candle. This is mother candle, baby candle 1, baby candle 2, breakout, and see, you can see the move by yourself, how brilliant the move was. Okay, so now there's one more over here. See, we can initiate a buy over here, and now while trading this pattern, how to set the target and stop loss. Okay, we will learn this as well. So here, while trading this system, okay, so the length the length or the range of the mother candle acts as the target. See, what we have to do is we have to place it over here 1. This would be target 1, and we have to again place the same box above the line that we have drawn. This would be target 2. So while the entry is over here, this is our entry at 55.43, and as per the trading system, 57 is our target 1 and 59 is our target 2. Okay, and the stop loss, let's talk about the stop loss as well. The stop loss over here would be the low of the mother candle minus few points. Could be here. Yeah, so we can set over here, because sometimes the volatility is very high and it can come down just to touch the line. So here what we have done, this has become a stop loss 53.46. So now drawing this box and everything would be way too complicated and time consuming. So what we can do is try to imitate the settings that I have done on my Fibonacci tool. So how to open this Fibonacci tool, I'll show you this thing. On the trading view left hand side there, go on the third tool. Okay, if it's not over here, it's the first in the third menu. So it's the first one, Fibonacci retracement. Just place on the lower end and a higher end. Okay, and double click. Just try to imitate these settings, wherein untick everything that is there in these values and just place 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it's nothing but the same values that we had drawn, and in fact very much accurate, more accurate than that we had seen earlier. So see, this is our first target and this is our second target, and over here would be our stop loss. And if you want to draw a stop loss as well, we can do that also with over here minus 0.05. If I do this, I can get a stop loss as well. So 0.10. Yeah, so we can make this area as stop loss also. So just try to take a screenshot of this thing so that you don't need to manually draw anything. And if you go with this system is one of the very accurate system, and you literally don't need to track. Like several people work on EMA system, several people work on Fibonacci system. This system is one of the simplest system and very less time consuming to find a stock. Now the challenging part over here is how will you find this stock? Because see, now this is one candle. If you are using charting, you have to draw, if you want to find inside bar up to 30, so you have to code a long page, a very long page literally, and then the output you get is only the stock name and the price. Okay, and the sector, that's all. These are the 3 columns that we get. But I have built a small tool which generates an Excel file for me. For example, this is the Excel file that is generated from the Python code that I have written. So here we have a chance to work in a more better way. कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि अगर जितने बेबी कैंडल्स हो गए तो उतना स्ट्रॉन्गर सेटअप हो जाएगा अपना, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे, देखो, वी विल सॉर्ट number of inside bars, it's nothing but baby candles. Okay, we'll go from largest to smallest, and we can see this is a stock called Kingfa, which is having 5 bars. Okay, Kingfa, will copy this, paste over here. Yep, you see I have already seen this chart. I'll show you again. See, a candle, mother candle with 1, 2, 3, 4 babies inside that. Today is the 5th day, so it's showing 5 over there. Okay, see, it's a breakout. Now to find the target, simple as that. I've drawn this. See, I can buy over here with a stop loss of 216. So this is a traditional method. But then if you wanna save the stop loss, if you wanna go with a smaller stop loss, look at the previous swing. This is the swing, or you can say pivot. Just below this could be your stop loss. So if you want to be a safe trader, you can go with the stop loss of 2 3 or 2300 odd. Okay, with buying around 2547. Okay, with targets of 2850 and 3176. So the stock that I'm discussing with you guys is just for the learning purpose. I am not recommending anything. I am just going based on the Excel sheet that is generated from the system. The beauty part of the system is, see, again, you don't need to copy this one by one. I have given a trading view copy row over here, which you can come copy this all together and paste it in your telegram trading view, sorry. So see, the beauty part, you can keep on swiping and check across very soon. The multiple, see, everywhere you track anything and there is inside bar, you see inside bar breakout. See, again, this is also an inside bar breakout. There's a lot of inside bar been formed in this stock. Again, we can switch to next stock. See, so this is the analysis. So you cannot, if you want to add more power to your trading system, what you can do is you can go across and check, okay, is it near the support? For example, this is the support currently. Is it near the support? What is the trend line saying you? Okay, this was a sort of a breakout, and it is retesting the trend line, we see, and near the trend line it have been forming a inside bar. Yeah, or we can say it's consolidating near the trend line. Okay, and the best part about this is we have also created a column which will say ki what do you want to trade. You want to trade old stocks, or you want to trade IPO stocks, the stocks which are new enough. Okay, so because I believe that new stocks, the IPO stocks, have more potential to run due to the timeline that we have. So here again, if we see, this is nothing but a breakout. So all you can do is go ahead and keep practicing this trading system. Trust me, this is amazing trading system, and I am going to share a link of Telegram channel wherein I'll be posting this breakout sheet. The name of the sheet is inside bar. See over here, inside bar breakout daily. So I am also creating a sheets for weekly and monthly time frame, because I believe the bigger the time frame, the more peaceful the trading system is, plus more conviction, plus lesser the noise. If you liked this video, kindly share across with your friends, and please recommend this trading system to your friends who wanna start. Apart from that, I forgot to mention that there is something called as PERF. PERF is nothing but performance of 14 days, performance of 30 days, and performance of 90 days. Okay, yeah, thank you.